The year 2024 has been a remarkable one for African startups. The continent's tech ecosystem has continued to evolve, attracting global attention and investment. This growth is a testament to the hard work, innovation, and resilience of African entrepreneurs. They are tackling local challenges with ingenuity, creating solutions that resonate far beyond the continent's borders. From fintech to e-commerce, healthcare to agriculture, African startups are disrupting traditional industries and shaping the future. This progress is evident in the funding landscape. African startups raised an impressive $2.2 billion in 2024. This funding, encompassing equity, debt, and grants, demonstrates the confidence investors have in the continent's potential. It's a clear signal that Africa is open for business and ripe with opportunities. This influx of capital is fueling innovation, creating jobs, and driving economic growth. The success of African startups is not just an African story, it's a global one. These startups are attracting investors from all corners of the world, eager to be part of the next chapter of technological advancement. This global interest is a testament to the quality of the startups emerging from Africa. Their focus on local solutions with global applications is truly exciting. The African startup ecosystem is vibrant and dynamic. It is a testament to the power of innovation and entrepreneurship. As we celebrate the achievements of 2024, we also look ahead to the even greater possibilities that the future holds. The journey is just beginning. While 2024 was a year of significant achievement for African startups, it's important to acknowledge the evolving funding landscape. The $2.2 billion raised, while impressive, represents a 25% decrease compared to the $2.9 billion raised in 2023. This shift in funding patterns is not unique to Africa. It reflects a broader global trend. The global tech industry experienced a slowdown in 2024. Factors like rising interest rates and geopolitical uncertainty contributed to a more cautious investment environment. However, it's crucial to look beyond the headline numbers. The decrease in total funding doesn't tell the whole story. The number of ventures securing substantial investments remains strong. In fact, 188 ventures successfully raised $1 million or more in 2024. This figure is just 10% less than the previous year, indicating continued investor confidence in high-potential startups. This nuanced view of the funding landscape is essential. It highlights the resilience of the African startup ecosystem. Despite global economic headwinds, African startups continue to attract significant investment. Investors recognize the long-term potential of the African market. They understand that the continent's young growing population, coupled with increasing smartphone penetration, presents a unique opportunity. The African tech sector is still in its early stages of development. This presents both challenges and opportunities. While navigating the complexities of a changing funding environment, African startups continue to demonstrate their ability to adapt, innovate, and thrive. This bodes well for the future of the ecosystem. The year 2024 unfolded in distinct chapters for African startups. The first half of the year started slowly, reflecting the global funding slowdown. In fact, the first 2 quarters of 2024 saw the slowest funding pace since 2020, with just under $800 million raised. This slowdown tested the resilience of the ecosystem. Startups had to be more strategic with their resources, focusing on sustainable growth and demonstrating clear paths to profitability. However, the second half of 2024 brought a remarkable turnaround. The ecosystem witnessed a surge in funding, reaching $1.4 billion. This impressive rebound, a 25% year-over-year increase and an 80% jump compared to the first half of the year, injected renewed energy and optimism into the African tech scene. This resurgence demonstrated the underlying strength of the ecosystem. It showcased the ability of African startups to adapt to changing market dynamics and regain momentum. Several factors contributed to this remarkable turnaround. Firstly, the global investment landscape began to stabilize in the second half of the year. This provided investors with more confidence to explore opportunities in emerging markets like Africa. Secondly, the success stories of African startups started to gain more international recognition. This increased visibility attracted investors seeking to be part of the next wave of technological advancement. The tale of two halves in 2024 highlights the dynamic nature of the African startup ecosystem. It demonstrates the ability of these startups to navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and emerge stronger. This resilience bodes well for the future, signaling a bright future for African innovation. While funding is a crucial indicator of an ecosystem's health, exits are equally important. Exits, whether through acquisitions or initial public offerings, represent the ultimate validation of a startup's journey. They provide a significant return on investment for both founders and investors, further fueling the growth of the ecosystem. In 2024, the African startup ecosystem witnessed a positive trend in exits, with 22 exits made public. This represents a slight increase compared to the 20 exits recorded in 2023. This uptick in exits is particularly encouraging considering the overall funding decline. It suggests a healthy and maturing ecosystem, where startups are not only attracting investment but also achieving successful exits. These exits are crucial for several reasons. Firstly, they provide tangible proof that African startups can build successful, scalable businesses that attract global buyers or go public. This success breeds further confidence among investors, encouraging them to participate in the African tech scene. Secondly, exits create a virtuous cycle. Successful founders often become angel investors themselves, supporting the next generation of startups. They bring their experience, networks, and capital back into the ecosystem, fostering further growth. Moreover, exits inspire aspiring entrepreneurs. They see the possibilities and are encouraged to pursue their own startup dreams, further enriching the ecosystem with fresh ideas and talent. The increase in exits in 2024, despite the challenging funding environment, is a testament to the resilience and potential of African startups. These exits serve as a beacon of success, inspiring investors and entrepreneurs alike. As the African tech ecosystem continues to mature, we can expect to see even more successful exits in the years to come. Section 5, Rise of the Unicorns, Moniepoint takes the stage. The year 2024 will be remembered for the emergence of new unicorns in Africa. One such company is Moniepoint, revolutionizing how businesses manage their finances. Moniepoint's journey to unicorn status was fueled by a remarkable Series C funding round. This round was led by Development Partners International's ADP3 fund. Other investors include Google's Africa Investment Fund and Virod Capital. Moniepoint's success is due to its innovative approach to financial management. The company provides an integrated platform for payments and expense tracking. Moniepoint plans to expand its platform and reach across the continent. The company has set its sights on Kenya as its next target market. Moniepoint's journey is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs across Africa. With a compelling vision and strong team, Moniepoint is well positioned to dominate the African fintech landscape. Now, let's dive into the fintech sector, which has become a real powerhouse in Africa. Over the past few years, fintech startups have been leading the charge, driving financial inclusion and innovation across the continent. It's truly remarkable how these companies are reshaping the financial landscape, making services more accessible to millions. But it's not just about numbers and growth. These startups represent something much bigger. They symbolize a new era of opportunity and empowerment for African entrepreneurs and consumers alike. By leveraging technology, they are breaking down barriers and creating new pathways for economic development and prosperity. The impressive growth of these startups is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the African spirit. Despite numerous challenges, they continue to innovate and expand, attracting significant investments from around the world. This growth not only benefits the startups themselves, but also has a ripple effect on local economies, creating jobs and fostering a culture of entrepreneurship. Looking ahead, the future of African startups is bright and full of potential. With a foundation built on resilience and innovation, these companies are well positioned to overcome any obstacles that come their way. As they continue to forge ahead, they will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the continent's economic landscape for years to come.